It was a comment put forth to elaborate his argument on corruption, but sociologist Ashish Nandy found himself in the middle of a massive controversy over the weekend when he linked corruption and caste. Within hours of the remark, he clarified, saying he was misunderstood and even apologized if he had hurt any sentiments. So are political lobbies still overreacting? Or did Ashish Nandy really cross the line this time?
Most of the corrupt come from the OBCs.
3 days after sociologist Ashish Nandy made allegedly offensive comments about the SC/ST and OBC community, the controversy refuses to die down. And after multiple FIRs were lodged against him, Ashish Nandy is once again insisting that he was speaking in support of the underprivileged.
I have apologized to those who have been hurt because they have been bombarded with these two sentences quoted out of context. And I wish they had at least quoted the previous two sentences and the subsequent two sentences so that the context would have been a little bit more clear.
Also under the scanner is Jaipur Lit Fest organizer Sanjoy Roy. But he continues to back Nandy.
If Ashish was making a statement, just as a statement, again, like I said, on a political platform where you make statements for many reasons, that's a different matter. But we need to differentiate between that.
However, the National SC/ST Commission has come down hard on the sociologist and demanded that he be arrested immediately.
आशीष नंदी जी के द्वारा जो स्टेटमेंट दिया गया वो आपराधिक प्रवृत्ति का है और मुझे आश्चर्य है कि राजस्थान गवर्नमेंट ने अब तक कोई कार्रवाई नहीं की। उनको उसी दिन जब ये मामला उठा था, रिपोर्ट दर्ज हुई, उसी दिन उनको गिरफ्तार करके जेल भेजा जाना चाहिए था।
And strong condemnation for his comments continues to pour in.
On one hand, it was sweeping generalization, but he tried to follow it with a concrete and empirical reality of West Bengal. That means he was clear what he was talking, and therefore this statement has to be condemned in the most possible terms.
But apart from the criticism, Ashish Nandy has received support even from some activists within the Dalit community.
Ashish Nandy has made a bad statement with good intentions. So there is some sort of a friend in him. This, in my view, should not become a legal problem.
His comment may have sparked a row, but Ashish Nandy's repeated clarifications clearly aimed at putting the controversy to rest. Bureau Report, Times Now.